Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio and screen from the ISUZU DMAX or MOX, the generation 2015 and 2018. So in this one you can see that it has the factory navigation screen here, and it has the air conditioner control here. So what we do is we need two tools. One is a plastic trim removal tool like this, or similar thing like this, which has the slim lift to slide in the edge, and the second one is the screwdriver. Very simple. So at first we remove the bottom part, which actually is hole into the panel here by 4 different plastic clip at the back of this bottom air conditioner control panel. And we should just put the hand underneath, finger here, and then you pull it out from underneath. Okay, pull it out, it will come out like this halfway, and the 2 clip on the top is still attached. And then you actually use the plastic trim removal tool to slide into the edge here. It will pop up the clip here, and to slide the edge here, and it will pop up the clip over here, and this one will come out simple and easy. You see 4 of the green clip at the back end, and it has one connector connect to this plug, which actually is the one down there. We already removed, so easy, just one click. Okay, now look down here, you will see 1 and 2 screw which actually been removed, and that one is this screw. Okay, that the 1, 2 of them. After you remove that, this head unit is free to remove, so easily you can pop this one up for something easy work. But otherwise, if you don't pop up this one, it's fine, it won't lock together. It just makes something easier if in case you need to put the hands on the top. Anyway, we put the hand underneath, and you put the finger behind the metal panel here, so you pull it out better and stronger, and you pull it hard. Okay, pull it hard out, it will come out. If in case you want to put the hands a little bit on the edge on the top, that's fine, it will assist. But otherwise, pulling hard from the bottom with the hands under the metal bracket, it will come out straight out. And from here you will see it has a few of different cable and connector at the back end. Unclip them, and then you can get the whole head unit out of the dashboard, and you do the joke, which actually we are doing the 9-inch premium setup for this car. So yep, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon on another one.